We're going to replace the exhaust donut gasket on an A4 Audi.
To replace this gasket, it's held on by springs. The bolts go through springs and hold this donut gasket into place. That way, if there's a big bump and everything moves, this is able to move without breaking the gasket, like a universal joint. Any exhaust bolt, because of the heat, is going to be difficult to get off. Usually when you try to pull it off, it just snaps and the spring will fly out. When we pull it off, you can see the spring, a big washer, and the nut. When we pull it apart, we can pull out the old gasket. It'll typically just crumble out. A wire wheel it clean. It'll be pretty tricky to get all the way around it. You want to make sure it's really free of debris. We'll be able to slide it into place. Take your time to make sure you walk it in nice and straight. I'll use a C-clamp to bring everything in nice and even. I'll use a clamp on each side and just go in evenly. The gasket's seated in there now. We'll add the springs in and then tension it. Tighten the bolts and tension up the springs. Everything's nice and tight, but it can still move if there's a bump.
The exhaust is nice and quiet again.